Hello, my name is Kahan, and this is a screencast for the third DevOps homework. So, as you can see, first I would like to start by running node, the main file. So, as you can see, my default server has started up at port number 3000. So if I hit this, it's going to say that I'm on my home page. So the first feature that we're going to test is the set. So if I set my value, say 123, then this sets the value of the Redis key to 123. So the value has been set to 123, as you can see. Now if I want to retrieve it, I'll use the get root, and so maybe this is because the key has expired. So as you can see, I'll just do it again. So if I do it immediately, you can see that the value was retrieved. But if I do it probably, now you won't be able to find it. Also, if suppose I say 1234, it will show that no such key was found, because 1234 was never set, and so there's no point in retrieving it. The next feature that we'll talk about is the recent feature. So when I use the recent, like when I type the recent root into the URL and when I hit enter, what you'll be able to see is the top 5 most recently visited pages in your browser. So this is it. So these were like get 1, 2, 3. These were the pages I visited latest, and if you want, I can just keep refreshing this, and you can see that recent just came into the list, and recent just came, like it keeps getting appended because I'm keeping on visiting recent again and again. If I refresh it, I was just refreshing my browser page, and recent kept getting appended into the list. So now recent is my top visited page. The next feature that we will be discussing is the upload feature. Now we were given 3 pictures, namely Harry Potter, ice cream, and morning. And what we do is we upload these pictures using the curl command that was given to us, which, as you can see, is right here, this one here. So what I'll do here is I will just this is the same directory. Oh yeah, perfect. So I'll just upload morning. So morning gets uploaded. Then what I'll do is I'll just upload ice cream. Okay. And now when I type in meow, I should have the recently uploaded picture, and you see this is ice cream, and ice cream was the last image I actually pushed. So if I push in morning again, and if I hit meow, then I get this. So this works just fine. Moving on to the spawn, destroy, and list sources. So what I'm doing is, like if I keep spawning again and again, so you'll see that it displays me a message saying that a server was spawned on the port number 38729 on localhost. The double colons just mean that it was localhost, nothing else. And I can keep doing this again and again and again, and at the end of the thing I can just type in list the servers that were there. So it will show me the list of all the servers so these are the port numbers in which my servers have been started, and if I want I can destroy it as and when I want. So destroy it. Now, like, what we can do here is we can actually keep displaying the servers, so you can have a side-by-side idea of what is going on. So what I'm doing here is basically I'm just randomly assigning port numbers to this, and when I'm destroying, I'm also randomly destroying a server. So randomly 60614 was destroyed, and you can't see it anywhere here. So I'll just refresh this page. Now 52399 was destroyed, and as you can see here, you see that 52399 was destroyed. I can just show this to you one more time. So 49173 and 49173 was destroyed. Now what we can do, yeah, the last thing that I wanted to show you guys was the proxy feature that I managed to implement. So what happens is basically, let me show you the list of servers. Okay, so now now I have assumed that the proxy that the server that I started on localhost 3000 is my proxy server. So if I type in anything, okay, if I don't type anything, what happens is that my requests get redirected to the next server in line. So as you can see, I'll just keep refreshing this, and you can see that this keeps toggling. So 57011 moved to the end. So what I'm doing is I'm basically popping an element from the start of the list, that is lpop, and then I'm pushing it on the right. So this is how it is working, and I'll just keep refreshing the page, and you can see how it works. So 38729 5701, so, and it keeps going. So you can see this is how I'm going on toggling. And actually I can like just show you, like you can have a better understanding of this. I'll just spawn a new one, and I'll just do list servers, and then see. So it works the same way. And what I'm doing here is I'm just displaying my message here in this terminal. So it shows me every time with the value. So as soon as the request is redirected to 3343473, I am actually pushing it into the at the end of the list. So this is my entire log. As you can see, I've printed it all. Yep. And so this is how I implemented the proxy. Thank you so much for watching the video.